Alright, Ren, customs. Goodness. Alright, we just got through customs. Now it's time to go fishing at the shark's place. Take a drink of your coconut with a straw in it. Nice. So crazy. Wow. Alright, we're off to the shark's place. Our coconuts in hand. Wow. What an amazing place. I'm just glad I got the technology. Look at the house right here. Right here. Right there. I'm so glad I have technology now to be able to film some of this stuff. Yeah. All I had was 35 millimeter, you know.
Oh, really?
20 years ago.
Now we can literally film the entire trip.
See how the waves break and then there's a lagoon? Well, here we are. Shark place. I like it. Very cool. Here we are, right in front of the lodge. See our fishing lodge right up there. We are casting for whatever might come our way.
Dan just hooked a fucking monster something. I was sitting in there putting all my shit away and he goes fishing. Said it's about to spool him. It's still on. Oh no, might have a GT on an 8-weight. Yeah!
How far out of it?
There's no way! Dan catches a fucking GT?
See how far out of it?
Yeah!
Oh no, don't go in.
Small, oh no. Small giant trevally maybe?
Oh, it's huge.
Dan, that is so fucking sweet.
Right by the shore.
Really?
I wish you were here. It peeled off like 300 yards of line in about 2 seconds.
That's awesome.
Look at the line, Red. It's on.
I know, I didn't believe it when I saw it.
Oh no.
Alright, we're gonna save the battery for when Dan brings it in.
Wow.
Alright, Dan got it to floating line. Looks like we might get it. Shit. Can't believe you hooked a GT on our GT day.
I think it's a blue trevally.
Or maybe a big blue tree. Yeah, it's a big blue one.
Holy shit.
Yeah, you're gonna have to pull him up on shore. No way, Dan. That is so fucking cool.
It is just a giant trevally.
It's a GT.
An A. All right, hold on. Hold on.
No, this is how they do
Here,
it.
hold on. Hold my rod real quick. Can you hold it?
Yep. Yeah! Yeah!
Check it.
Yeah!
Ah!
No! No way!
This is what Christmas Island's all about. It's Ren, he's already got 2 trevally. Sun's going down. Absolutely beautiful out. Got to love this place. Wow, what a picture. Here we are, Christmas Island. How's it going, Ren? Good. Oh yeah. Beautiful place. We're on the punt going to our next fishing spot. Absolutely beautiful out here. Look at these flats. Amazing.
That's amazing. Did ya? That is the coolest thing. That is just unbelievable. That's just really cool, Ren. I got that on film.
We are stranded on a place called Parrots. Very cool place. Who are these? Crabs everywhere. Mother Nature's rod holders. Wow.
Would a fly did a big trevally take this teeny little fly?
I don't know, Dan. Do not know. Trevally on a 5-weight. I bet that doesn't happen too often.
Nope. Fortunately, it's a really good 5-weight.
Yeah. Hopefully it will still be after the fish is finished.
Hopefully it won't do what the rest of my rods have been doing. Probably should get out to the edge there, huh?
Yeah. Doesn't saw you off.
5-weight, man.
Yeah, that's awesome. I ate it because you cast right at it, and that's why.
You ran up to get it, I cast it.
Oh, really?
To try to lead him, you know.
Yeah, huh.
Thinking it was a bonefish. And then he sat there with it in his mouth. So I thought, okay, let me reel it in here real quick.
Yeah.
Get ready for the explosion.
Let's see this bad boy. Here, let me get an underwater shot of him.
That's not waterproof.
I know. Just kidding.
Wait, bad idea. That is a trevally, isn't it? Vidian?
Yep.
There he is. On a 5-weight.
That's
A giant trevally. Look at that, Ren.
That's awesome.
Look at his teeth. I don't think I'm gonna get my fly back.
No.
Oh fuck, oh fuck.
He's trying to bite your hand.
Oh god. Any minute this line's just gonna say, see ya. Look at that. That's teeth. You were supposed to be a bonefish.
He's pissed.
He's just gonna bite my leg.
Yeah, you're fucking.
Thank you. Yeah, on a 5-weight. Check it.
Here it is on an 8-weight. Dan! I think that's bigger than mine. On an 8-weight XI2.
My rod.
Yeah, that's a straight rod. Yeah.
Alright, we're still battling this massive. It's just coming up though, you can just see it off in the distance. Oh my god. You did it, Ren! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh my god, that's bigger than the other one. What do you think? Jeez, I would say that's at least 80, don't you think? At least.
At least?
Man, that's massive.
Okay, so just lift the head. Just lift the head. Yeah, you can bite your rod.
Let's take one first, the mask.
Video. Wow, look at that fish.